Bismillah. Hello and welcome to another video by whbproductions. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to rank your Fiverr gig with very easy and simple steps which many people do not know. So if you follow this to the very end, then you will be able to dance your way to the top in no time. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe for more amazing tutorials. So once we open Fiverr and we go over here and we look for logo design services, so we can see that we have a lot of sellers over here with a lot of good ratings. And if you want to just rank your gig in one of these pages, one or two pages or third pages, then you have to do a really good SEO, search engine optimization. So what do I mean by this? What I mean is that you have to just write all of these your relevant keywords which are related to logo, like suppose business logo, minimalist logo, gaming logo, and you have to include those in your title and in your description as well. So let's suppose we have a logo, and this is a general term. Suppose it's a logo design. So we will also search for minimalist logo, minimalist. So you can see that this is also word is also being attached with the word logo, minimalist. So this is another keyword, minimalist and logo. These are two keywords. So let's search for another keyword, which is mascot, and this is another keyword, mascot. So if you are going to make a title, then you want to write, I will design your mascot minimalist logo. So in this title will now have 3 or 4 keywords, and you will be able to rank higher. But in order to rank even higher, you need to include the best of the best keywords. And let's suppose we will write another keyword, business logo. Look, you can find this and another keyword attached with logo. So these are all your keywords, and you need to include them in your title. So let's check another one, real estate logo. Suppose you are also making a real estate logo or a coffee shop logo, you can also search these keywords. And if your service is relevant, then you may need to include these in your services as well. These are the main keywords, minimalist, mascot, and all of this cafe logos or this gaming logo. These are the main stuff if you are doing a very variety of logo. Okay, let's go ahead and now open a few of these sellers, and you can see that these are very high rated sellers. You can see a lot of these high rated sellers, but you will also see a few which have a really low rating, and they are on the first page. So why is that? Look, this is a really low rating, yet still they are on the first page. So here another reason comes once ranking your gig, and that reason is that these people, they have really high value orders, and by high value orders I mean that they are selling their services at a high price, or they have completed orders that are really their first few orders were really of a high value. Like suppose so Fiverr wants to make money out of you, and you want to make money out of Fiverr. So what Fiverr is going to do is anyone who has a order, let's suppose a logo design order of $200, and or $250 or $300. These are the very first few orders that you are getting, and these are really high value orders. So Fiverr is going to promote you, and it is going to send you to the first or second page, and this is how these gigs have reached over here. So this is another way that you can rank your gig, and that way is that you try to get orders that have a really high value. Let's suppose $500, let's suppose $200. It's okay if you cannot get orders of this value at the first beginning stages, but try to get as many orders as you can which have a really high value, because Fiverr is going to shift you to the first or second page by this method. And the next thing you need to do for ranking your gig is that searching for the tags. So if you open a few of these gigs, then you will see your tags over here at the very end. You can see that these are relevant tags. So logo design is a good tag, minimalist logo, business logo, these are very good tags. that are being used. So you can just open a few of these people, and you can just go ahead and see the tags that they have used, and you can just, you no need to copy, but you can just have a sense of what kind of tags they are using. This will also help you to increase your gig ranking. So if you do these things right, then you will be able to hit two birds with one stone with no problem. But there's also one thing that you need to keep in mind. Let's suppose you are making a gig in logo and your field is graphic design. So logo design is already a field where there's a huge competition. You can see the amount of services over here. So you also need to take this into account, because the more services that are present over here, the difficult it will be to rank your gig. But even if there is a medium intermediate competition, you can still rank your gig at 1, 2, or three pages if you do the steps correctly, like you do the search engine optimization correctly, you use the title, you make the lengthy title, and which includes all of these keywords, good keywords, which are being used by the buyer. Because when the buyer will come over here, they will just write logo, and then you can see that these keywords are popping up. So instead of typing the whole thing, the buyer is just going to click one of these keywords, and there might be a chance, if you have used a few of these keywords, then they will be shifted towards your gig, or your gig is going to be shown in their screen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, and let me know if you've ever worked on Fiverr before. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more amazing content. Thanks a lot for watching.